Hi everyone and welcome to Fusion Fundamentals with me, MJ. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to create shapes like this using a Loft feature. So we're going to be using Loft with guardrail as opposed to just a regular Loft. It just helps you to create these more organic looking shapes. So let's get started and see how you do. To get started with this one, I'm going to draw a sketch on this top plane here. So we'll select the top plane and we'll start with the center diameter circle. We're going to do that to, I want to make it 300. Okay, so there's our center diameter circle. Finish sketch. Now we'll construct a plane off the top plane down 600. So that'll be negative 600. Now that plane is where we're going to draw our other feet. So construct on this plane, and we are going to want to draw one on either side, and then we will mirror the feature or create a copy and join the bodies. So I'm just going to draw a reference line here, construction line out. I want this to be 300, and I'm going to draw the same on the other side. We could have just copied this thing entirely, but I just want to draw two in here. So center diameter, let's take construction off. We want this now to be 150, half the diameter of the center circle. Again, 150. Finish sketch. Please, if you're enjoying this video, please do like and subscribe. It just helps me get the video to more people. So now we're going to create a sketch on our front plane, and we're basically going to create a curve along here for our loft to follow. We're going to draw a spline. I'm going to take the spline tool and make our curve. And I'll just turn this a bit. We don't want it to be crossing the line there. So now we're going to mirror that to the other side. Just going to create a line for us to mirror on. And we're going to go mirror, select the line to mirror, and there we go. So there's our finished curve. Now we'll do loft. And I'm just going to show you the difference. If I loft straight between there and there, I get that shape. So it's straight. But if I use a rail, I'll select the center line and I'll select that. We can see it curves nicely with our center line that we've drawn in. So I'll finish that loft. I will do a second loft, make sure our sketches are visible. I want to do a cut, but we're going to change it to join. And again, we'll select the center line guide. And there we go. So we could have done this by drawing just one line and then copying it and joining the bodies, but I just wanted to practice the lofting a bit. So let's turn these sketches off, and now we'll copy this body. So copy, I'm going to select this body, but I want this to be at that point there. So our pivot is in the middle. I want to create a copy. So copy, I'm going to select this body, create a copy, and we'll just turn that 90. So now we've got our shape, but it consists of two bodies. So I'm going to select these two bodies, click combine, and it's back down to one body. Then what we'll do is we will draw a sketch on this top plane again, and a center diameter circle. So that comes out to 600. We'll put that about 900. 900 will be good. So now we'll extrude this surface up. We will go up to 50. And it's a join operation. So there's our table, but I want these edges to be rounded off. So I'm going to select top and the bottom. So it's an entire center line, and we'll go 25. So it'll give us a full round because it's 50 thick. There we go. And let's just turn sketch off. So there you've seen how we can use Loft with a guide rail to create sort of organic looking shapes. If you look closely, you can see it curves out at the top, and we've got our flat feet. And there we go. So if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. And carry on watching and keeping an eye out for more content. If there's anything you want to know specifically, you can pop me a message down in the comments or email me directly at fusionfundamentals@gmail.com. It is in the description. So until next time, enjoy your drawing.